So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here and I am back here with another tutorial series. This series will be based on HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is a markup language which is used to build websites. Most of the websites out there are made with HTML. HTML is the backbone of any website. So in this series we'll learn how we can make a simple website using HTML. We also see how we can advance it using HTML. So all the websites are not only made by HTML, there are also other language which assist HTML. So those are CSS, JavaScript, lot of scripting languages, lot of web frameworks out there which we can include in your website to make it beautiful, modern, and efficient. But in this series we'll only learn how we can make the backbone of a website using HTML. So what is the full form of HTML? HTML stands for hypertext markup language, uh, and it's a non-case sensitive language. What is a non-case sensitive language? Non-case sensitive language is which syntax we write in HTML. We can write it in uppercase or in lowercase or in both. It doesn't matter because it's a non-case sensitive language. So what is a website? Let me give you an example. Like what this page, this empty page is our website. So we will add logo. Most of the website have logo up here. So this is the logo. Next, what we have next, all website have pages. This is called a nav bar, navigation bar, which has a main. Make it black, which has a main page, and their product or portfolio. So portfolio, and what other they have about us, and contact us page. So what is this line? So this line is our navigation bar, which is called nav bar. So we can use this nav or navigation bar to reach other pages of this website. We can go to the main page, we can go to portfolio page, about us page, or contact us page by clicking on this navigation bars. And what other our page has, it has some heading of suppose our page is a blog page or something written here. It has always have a heading. So if this is a heading, it's a large in size. And what we have, random text. We have some random text about our text, about our blog. So this is a blog. And what other things have our page? It has some images. So suppose we can include image box, this is a image box. And what we can say, other image boxes, there is another image box here. So there are two images in our website. I'm just showing you a sample. You can make it as your wish. So this is a sample I'm showing you. So these have some photos. What else our page might have? Our page might have a table here, some random datas in our table. Also there could be some other text here. And finally we have a footer over here. Finally we have a footer at the bottom of our website. At the bottom of our website we have a footer. So we have a footer. So this is called footer. And at the up scale, this is called the header. So this is called the header. So header, this is called the header, this is called the footer, and the middle portion, this is called the container or the body of a website, and this is navbar, and this is logo. Most of the time logo will be inside of the header file. Navbar will also be in the header file or in the body file. Most of the time it will be in the body file, and the logo will be in the header file and all these things. So this is the head portion, footer portion, and the body portion of the website. So like this what I have made here, we will write script in our text editor and we'll make a website. So for making for writing HTML codes, we need some text editors. We can use any text editors without Microsoft Word or like Word documents type softwares. We can also use Notepad. We can also use Notepad to write our HTML codes. We also can use a Notepad plus plus. There are also other text editors like Sublime Text. We can use that too. That's a great text editor. But for this tutorial series, I will be using Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio. I will be using this Visual Studio Code because let me show you. This is the Visual Studio Code here. I will be using this to write my all codes because it has a function live server. So what this live server do, whatever I write in my HTML code, this will show me the live output of that particular website, or the particular changes I made to the website. You can see it in live. So that is the main reason why I will use Visual Studio Code, because that will be easy for you guys to understand what I am writing and what this will do to my website. So this is so easy to download. You have to go to your browser and write Visual Studio Code download. Press enter. Go to this first link. Then if you are in Windows, download this one. If you are in Mac or Linux, download this too. So this is so easy to download. So after download, just install it. This was for today's video. I will see you in my next video where we'll write some basic HTML codes. So till then, take care. Bye bye.